Good morning, welcome back to Snagd. Here we are, I got Chris here. I was actually supposed to be the three of us, but my mate has to be on his own for 7 days, unfortunately. Lake Monduran, we're going again. It's risen 2 meters the last time since we're here, so 4 meters in the last few months. It's also a lot more weedy, so we're gonna have to pretty much put the sounder away this trip, base it on our instinct. It's been blowing southeasterlies all week. I don't know what's going to happen with that yet, but we'll find out. Keen to try out a few new additions here on my trailer, and I got the fridge freezer running here. We're actually going to bring that in the boat. I'm chuffed. You ready, Chris?
Oh, I'm ready.
Yeah, it'll be good. I think there's barramundi in those trees.
In there?
I think so. Try not to cast too much in there to begin with. Just get your eye in. Just to the left or to the right of it. Underneath the back seat. I think this is jackal squirrel country. I want to suspend my lure in amongst those trees. So I want my jackal squirrel to sit. Just a tip wrap. See that on the screen there? That's a barramundi. That's on the right hand side.
I'm seeing it. I'm seeing them.
It's a nice spot, eh? Like this just gives me good vibes, you know?
Yeah, it's got all the right ingredients.
Yeah.
Grass.
And it's shallow enough. Temperature's nice. I'll probably just pepper it on this side.
But yeah, sorry, what?
So I'm assuming the barra, if they swim through, they're either going to go left or they're going to go right. So they're going to hit the bank.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know if they'll go through it. They might. I'm just going to, rather than using my Minn Kota, I'm going to sit off this tree here, save some power. No. I want my boat to be straight up and down with the bank there. Not a bad little spot, this one. Oh, it's weed. Let's come down the back here for a minute. That's actually pretty cool. That's a school of barra right there. That's actually, that's lovely. I'm not sure what way they're moving, mate, so. See, wherever that black boat is, mate, if that black boat stops in a spot, I know that guy picked that boat up brand new about a week ago. I saw it on the Gold Coast boating site. He's got Garmin live scope, so if he stops, he can see. Yep. I don't know what this is. Hit it on the paws, whatever it is. Oh, it's a barra. Oh, hang on, just be gentle with it there. Just be careful.
Tell me when?
Yeah, I'll tell you when. I was not expecting that. I was just talking to Mr. Garmin. He's actually not putting too much of a fight, so just get that net ready. Yeah, we'll just Hang on. Yeah, good man. I'll swing him around again.
When you get him flat on the surface and he's there.
Just loosening that drag off because that hook set is only on the outside of his mouth and I saw it.
Yep. Go for it.
Just get ready.
Yep.
I'm going to tell you when, okay?
Yep.
Because his head's around the opposite way. Okay, ready on this pass? Yeah, you're right. Look at you just spat up. It's like a red claw.
Oh, yeah. Maybe they're around here and that's why.
So I'm going to go real, even a little. Just wait. This is the fun part, remember? So.
Yeah.
Well, I was talking about Mr. Live Scope. As soon as the barra hear the word Garmin, they're just like, yup.
So the squirrel, hey? Quickly off, change my fucking lure.
Hang on. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, this guy is just king. I've lost, as you guys probably know in my videos, I have lost too many barra with a tight drag close to the boat. And I know, actually I don't know, there are a lot of snags underneath me, but he's underneath the boat. But if I go too tight on him, and I know those hooks are on the end. Okay, ready, Chris? This might be out. Oh. Well, we've only been fishing for about an hour and a half.
Not a bad start.
Not a bad start for getting up at 2 in the morning. I mean, he's not the monster, but
He's something.
he is something, right, Chris? You ready?
Yep.
Got to be a bit more quicker than that. I know I'm in the way, but
Yeah.
yeah.
I didn't do so much for you,
Yeah. Come on, get the in the water. There it is. Yeww. Watch the sounder. Look at him. He's been sitting in that weed. Look at the colour. Give it here, cowboy. Nice, mate.
Yeah.
All right, I'll deal with him for a bit. Actually, you know what? We'll work together. We'll just get him out of the net. You can tell how I wanted to go easy. I mean, I've just about ripped that out of its side of his mouth there, but that's a black and gold jackal squirrel. Not bad. 73. Yeah, he's creeping forward, but he's a 73 barra. I'll take that every day of the week, big dog. Beautiful first barra, about an hour and a half of fishing. He's not the meter you were after, mate, but I'll tell you, he'll do. Lovely, let's get back into it. Well, I do have a bent out hook there on my jackal squirrel. To be expected. I mean, you upgrade these hooks, but you got to upgrade them so light for the lure to suspend, because if that didn't suspend, then I definitely wouldn't have got that hit.
Yeah, true.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,000. Look at these barras sitting under that boat, 3.5 meters. I'm going to catch one of them. There's actually a school of at least 20. 20, minimum 20 barramundi right there.
How do you get this fucking thing off? Now I'm like...
Yeah, but when they're schooled up like that, it's not that good. Means they're here, but it means they're just cruising. Good morning and welcome back to day 2. Lake Monduran. It's early, well it's not that early, it's 6 o'clock, 6:30. As we were coming to our spot here, there were 2 other spots we wanted to fish, but they had boats on them, so we're gonna try this spot. We were here yesterday afternoon, it was very productive in terms of numbers. We're gonna hope that we can come back here and hopefully catch a couple this morning, and then we're gonna shoot down a few different spots while we're up the back here and work our way back, I guess, throughout the day. So good luck, let's see how we go. Come in, oh, they're right underneath us. They're just like, look at this. Look at these big dogs. We got a few here, they're everywhere. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 underneath us. We're just surrounded by big barramundi.
I really like that.
in the next 15 minutes. We might even do it. Oh, they're just everywhere. And when you find a spot like this, mate, you just don't tell anyone. You don't film it. You turn the cameras off.
Just go up.
No. You pull out the big plackies that no one knows you're going to use because you're not going to share anything. Big placky, eh? Throw it over here. And then you just...
Jealous, to be honest.
Of what?
Got all the setups going.
Yeah. Well, we just got to spend a bit of money, you tight ass. Yeah, look, they're in the weed. You can see them there. See how long, tall weeds are. It's shitty.
Yeah, it's alright. There, is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. There's more. There's big ones in there. Look at that size of that thing.
Oh my god.
There's two of them.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, look. I can't see. Yes. Easy on the drag. Easy on the drag. Back the drag off a little bit. That's it. Good fish, bro. That's alright. That's so... Go easy, relax, relax. Sorry, I'm not ready yet. Well done, Christopher. Got him on the side of the base, bro. Bring him in, boy. Yeah, Sonny. Oh, about time they're a little bit bigger.
A bit more exciting.
Jeez. Yeah, that was good, man. This could be the biggest trip. Well done.
I thought I was on top of the weed in the weed.
No, but that's where you were. That's where they are.
It just like, I was like, oh, I'm dragging the weed. Okay, and then again, I'm dragging the weed. And then the third time, whoa.
Every single time, my man.
Tiny taps too, first two.
He's gonna be a little bit green. No, we're the same. That's a 73 model, bro.
Yeah.
Every day of the week.
Very happy. I got a better model this trip
You did.
than earlier. Better than 36 centimeters.
Bringing your average up, mate. Well done, well done.
It's getting back up there.
On the live mullet, but still, I mean, these barra are only hitting it right on the nose. Do not inhale that mullet.
That's right. Very exciting though.
Yeah.
Pulled some nice drag around the weeds. So
Let's get into it. I mean, it's a weird spot we're fishing here. It's just like, they're all in the weed and you can see it on the sounder here. It's just sitting in the weed. It's actually quite good. Oh,
that startled me. Well, at least he's in good health. That's good.
Well done. So this is where we're fishing. I only just switched it to down scan just then, but they're all in the weed. Chris just got one on a live mullet. I think I'm getting a hit or two as well, but it's lovely when you see this on the sounder. When they come through, and you'll notice, I'll just point it out. So this here, this weed, every now and then I'm seeing 2 or 3 barramundis sitting in the weed, and that's exactly how Chris caught his barramundi, sitting in the weed. And like you can see, got 3 more barra coming in underneath the boat. 4, like these aren't, like some of these barra are big barra. Like Chris, you should have a look at the sounder now. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on there now. I've got one on the side scan just here. It's very interesting when you sit here in Mondi, when you look at your screen for hours and hours and hours and hours on end. And just to give you an idea too, the banks here, this is all weed, all weed, all weed. There's a big clump of weed just there, about 15 meters away. And we're just in a zone where we can cast in between it, and we're just getting more barramundi coming through on the down scan here. So, Chris, you're jumping on the vibe, mate.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Hopefully it's fruitful.
I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet, but yeah, stay with us and let's find out. I might even throw a big blackie down. We're vibing.
You vibing, bro?
What? We are vibing.
Oh yeah, we're vibing.
What do you got? Bring it up. You off?
Oh, I lost it.
Oh wow. Well, we were vibing. How tight you drag on the feel? Wasn't that tight?
No, I loosened it up just then because...
Wow, didn't that get the heart racing, mate?
Oh god.
Well, you were on a second ago.
Damn it, that was decent. It just didn't hook very well. Small hooks, yeah, but the hooks are fine. And I just did, because they're sitting off the bottom, so I just lifted it up a bit and...
Who wants the baby barramundi? I do. Pick me, please. It's like straight up. You got to watch them in, Cody. You got to watch the rod bend underneath the boat. Like, there's so many things you just got to be careful of. Oh, yeah. Oh, here's. Watch the rod. Oh, where's it? A caddy? It's a little barra. Is that the smallest barra I've ever seen in my life? It's still a barra. Bring it in. I don't think we need a net for that, do we? Would you like a net?
Probably not.
That's a baby barra. Oh, it's the babiest barra I've ever seen. Oh, watch yourself. Look at this. Is that a barra?
It is a barra.
Look at this. He is green as, eh? Well done, Chris. You on the barramundi vibes. That's a PB small sparrow at Mondi at 36 centimeters. Well done, mate. Give us a smile.
Thanks.
On a
I'm
vibe.
really proud of myself.
It's the same vibe that caught in the
threadfin.
Well done.
Yeah, it's fun on the vibe though.
Let's get photos. It's beautiful. Oh my word, that's a pigeon pair of big barramundi. Look at that. Jeez, they're big, man. Yeah. I'm gonna do the unthinkable. Alright, let's try this one. Wagasaki. Yes, nice one's coming under the boat, mate. About 2 meters down. Yeah, 3 of them coming through now. Left and right on the sounder. Jeez, look at the sounder, mate. Look at that. 4 of them. 2 meters down, that's how far. One's a little bit lower now. Geez, that is so, yeah, that's lovely. Sorry, just give me a second. Oh, he's off. No, he's not. What is it? That's a barra. Not the biggest one that I've seen today. Oh, he's... Oh. But you know, I thought I felt a little tap. There's more coming through. Oh yeah. Thanks, mate.
Some squirrel?
Yeah, on the screw. I just slow that one in then. Changed up the colour.
I was about to change back to the
Hang on, I think again, it's only on the side of his mouth.
Got it.
Oh, this is so much fun. Oh, geez, you do wait a while. Look at the sounder, like they're just coming through. I'm hooked up. They're just everywhere on the sounder. It's just, this is awesome. Just only a small, oh, he's right on the nose too. Try and be, if you get a shot at it. Oh yeah, he's dreaming, he says. You got a shot at him? Oh my god. Yep. Lovely. Just watch the sound. Wagasagi, jackal squirrel.
Oh yeah, look at that one.
It's beautiful. I mean, it's only small, but hey, it's good fun nonetheless. Lovely. Oh, there's so many coming through. There'd be at least, I don't know, they're just so consistent. So we've already got 2 from this point. We're going to keep going. That's 2 off this point. Maybe we're just getting warmed up for the main event, eh?
Yeah. Never know. They're just sending out their young as testers. You guys okay? Oh, I feel a little weird, bro.
I think my eyes sore.
They send the little guy in, and the little guy's like, look, I don't know, I don't trust you. You took a lot of shit. You usually roll. Oh, wait now. Maybe he's still like, oh, Dad, I don't know what it is. Can you go ahead check it out? Test it.
Yep. Oh, another tiny barra. Look at that.
Oh, gone.
Yeah, he's gone. Wow, that was sick.
Yeah, I'm definitely changing mine. What do you change again?
No, I'm using the same lure. That was sick. Well, that wraps it up. Day 2 of Lake Monduran done. It's late April. Man, did we find some barra on the sound. It was ridiculous. So we were absolutely stoked with that. Thank you for watching. Hopefully all those sounder shots and a little bit of an explanation of what I was doing helped somebody or just enjoyed watching it. I really enjoy watching sounders sometimes. And at the moment, like I'm looking at monsters coming through on the down scan. Like have a look at that. Have a look at the size of this barramundi, and it has been so consistent where we are. This whole side scan, which is out here, has been absolutely lit up with barramundi. Like all afternoon, we haven't managed to get a bite out of them. Like here's another one coming now, another couple, and it has just been like another one out here. Amazing. Like it has been amazing fishing. I think I think it's just the full experience of coming out here, catching them, seeing them on the sounder, getting the job done, taking your mate, you know, big hours, you put the time in, and yeah. Well, I guess until the next vid, thank you for watching. Hit subscribe, liked, all those things, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys. Well, not really having much luck on the sounder, but this bloody torch, this is a good torch. We're seeing all the bait flickering in the water. It's actually really cool. Just cruising. There's just so many garfish. They're just everywhere, bro.